How to restore accidentally deleted files on Windows 10. Before I start, many solid-state drives use a trim feature that will permanently remove your files and greatly reduce the chance for file recovery without third-party tools. Magnetic hard drives don't have this feature, so you can restore your files if they were deleted recently. Now that you know the difference between solid-state drives and magnetic hard drives, you can try to restore your files using one of these solutions. Soft deleted data of solid-state drives gets stored in the recycle bin unless you have changed the default setting of Windows. When you choose the delete option in Windows, your files are automatically moved to the recycle bin. The recycle bin offers a limited amount of storage and it will keep your files there temporarily. If you didn't empty your recycle bin manually, it's likely that your file is still there. To restore your files to the recycle bin, do the following. When Recycle Bin opens, you will see a list of all deleted files. If your file is available, right-click it and choose Restore to restore the file to the original location. If you want to restore all files in the bin at one go, click on the Restore All Items button located under the Manage tab. You might be able to restore your files from the backup. This solution only works if you have Backup and Restore feature enabled. To check that you have enabled this feature, go to Settings, System Recover, and configure System Restore. To restore files from backup, using the Backup and Restore feature, do the following. Go to Settings, System Recover, open System Restore, select Restore My Files option, and follow the instructions on the screen. After selecting Recovery option, click Next. Choose a restore point that is older than the deleted file. Before clicking Next, it is a good idea to click Scan for affected programs. After the scan has finished, let the restore complete. Follow the instructions on the screen. If you accidentally deleted a file, you may be able to restore it simply by using Restore Previous Version options. Keep in mind that this feature is related to both Backup and Restore and System Restore. So if any of these features aren't enabled when you deleted the file, this solution won't work for you. To restore the deleted file, do the following. Locate the directory that contained the deleted file, right-click the directory and choose Restore Previous Versions from the menu. A list of previous versions should appear. Locate the desired version and double-click it. Now locate the desired file and drag and drop it to a new location. Check File History is a useful Windows 10 feature, but it's not enabled automatically. To enable File History in Windows 10, click on Start, go to Settings. Open Settings and click Tap on the Update and Security icon. To turn on File History, click Tap on Backup on the left side and turn on Automatically Backup My Files on the right side. To restore files using File History, do the following. Open the directory that contains the deleted file. Once the directory opens, click on Home tab and choose History from the menu. Follow the instructions on the screen to restore the file using File History feature. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 7 of the series. Please like and subscribe.